California driving school instructors and operators. Renew your driving instructor's license or operator's license fast and easy. Step 1. Go to www.drivingschoolrenewal.com. Step 2. Click on Seminars. Please note all 3 seminars are required to bypass the written exam. Register for 1 seminar at a time or buy all 3 and save $15. Step 3. Click Register depending on your choice. Step 4. Complete your personal details. All fields marked with an asterisk are required. Step 5. Complete the login authentication by, firstly, entering a valid email address. Secondly, click the blue link for a verification code to be sent to the email you entered. Thirdly, check your email for the code. Finally, enter the code and create your password. Step 6. Provide your address details. Step 7. Complete your school details. Step 8. Click Create Account and Pay. Once payment is made, you will be able to log in and start your course.